Hey YouTube, how's it going? I have this video of how to open up PSP. Um, I already cleaned the inside in, but I just wanted to show you how to open it. Um, so there's 7 screws you want to take off. There's 2 here on top. You open up the battery case. You take off the battery. And there's 2 screws here. One there, one there. There's 1 screw there. There's 1 screw here, another there. And once you do that, you just pull the bottom open and it comes off. It's just like so. I have my son here. Say hi, Caleb. Hi. So we have some polishing compound, and I went ahead and cleaned up the glass and cleaned the LCD as much as possible. The LCD is a bit damaged already. You could tell those little white specks, but other than that, the glass looks pretty good. And that's how you open up a PSP. So now that I have everything polished up, I'm gonna go ahead and close everything back in and put the screws back in. Alright, so after you clean everything up, I use a little cotton ball to put on the polish, and then I use a microfabric to clean it off. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Now we're just gonna put it back exactly the way we took it off. First we gotta put in the glass. I cleaned off all the dirt and debris that was around here. I think I put the glass backwards. Just wait. There it is. Try not to touch it so much. There, fit into place now. Try not to touch it so much so you don't leave fingerprints inside. Same thing with the LCD. And then we just put everything back together. Alright. So there it is. And now you just put the screws back. Alright, so there's my 7 screws. And I'm going to do some TB magic. And we're going to put those screws on there. Alright, so we went ahead and did some TB magic and put all the screws back on. So now what we're going to do is put the battery back on. Put the lid on. Turn it on. Make sure everything's working. There it is. And I think the screen looks a lot better than what it used to. You really can't tell now. It did a good job. So let's go ahead and throw in a game. Make sure it's reading the game properly. Star Wars. There's the game. My bad, I'm shaking my leg. And how I just jailbroke it. And once you do a power reset, which I forgot to mention on the last video, or take off the battery, you don't have anything there anymore. Alright, so the way that you get those games back is by going into the Pro Fast Recovery. Then you press X. It's gonna restart. Okay, now we click back into the memory stick. And there's all our games. Sweet. Let's see. I think this is pretty cool. I like racing games, as you could tell. Super tick. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you open up a PSP to clean it out. Wow, it looks a lot better. Way much better. Golly. See if we can put this phone down. Yes. Can you see it? I can see it now. Haha. Yeah, boy. Jailbroken PSP. You're able to download games, download movies, put movies on here. Woo! Drifting like a mother. This game's awesome. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my video how to open up a PSP. And woo! Look at that drift. Look at that drift. Man, getting sideways like a mother. Hell yeah, this game's the shiest nuts. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I usually put my thumbs up, but I don't want to crash. Thumbs up. See you guys later. Bye.